All right, welcome back to the flipped classroom. Really quickly, we're just going to go over a couple of things that we talked about today in class, so that way you can keep that in mind whenever you're doing your homework tonight. Really quickly, parallel lines are lines in a plane that are always the same distance apart, and parallel lines and line segments, they never meet. So they will never intersect. They will never cross paths with one another. So if you look at the figure below, which is here, so lines A, B, so AB will run this way. This line right here is considered your AB. And CD this way. Even if extended, they will never meet. So if my line were to continue, that's what the word extended means, were to continue. So you will write that the lines AB and CD are parallel. This symbol right there is telling us that they are parallel. So how would we say that? Well, we would say that lines AD and BC are also parallel. So AD and BC are parallel. If we look at intersecting lines, they cross at exactly one point. So notice line segment, they cross right there. Intersecting lines that form, that make right angles, they make 90-degree angles, are called perpendicular. So perpendicular lines that are intersecting lines, they make 90 degrees. If you notice here on this side, there is a square that is telling us that this is 90 degrees. If this side is 90 degrees, this side is going to be 90 degrees and all the way around. So sometimes you will see that little square, that little box, and sometimes you will not see it. So here they intersect, yes. Do they make 90-degree angles? Yes. If it hits those two criteria, then they are considered to be perpendicular lines. Look at the symbol for the word perpendicular. It is like an upside down looking T. They're perpendicular. So you would read that lines AD, and AB are perpendicular because they form right angles at vertex A. Vertex A is the point A. Point A, there we have our 90 degrees. And how would we write it? We would write it as AD is perpendicular to line AB. Okay, so you can read this last one on your own. For numbers 1, 2, and 3, I want you to pay attention to what kind of lines you're looking for. For number 1, you're looking for parallel. Parallel lines never meet. For number 2, we're looking for perpendicular. Well, perpendicular lines form 90-degree angles. Name two sides that appear to be intersecting, but not perpendicular. So we're looking for lines that intersect for 4 angles, but they do not need to be 90 degrees. Same thing for the back. And this looks familiar. We did this in class. Okay, so make sure you bring your homework tomorrow, and we will review it in class. And as always, remember, you've been